Hello everyone, welcome back to Vibe with Archie. In this video, we invite you to peer into the intricate world of window and door installation, a crucial aspect of construction that not only defines a building's appearance, but also ensures its functionality and energy efficiency. In the next 4 minutes, we will guide you through the detailed, step-by-step process of window and door installation, revealing the craftsmanship that turns a house into a home. Window and door installation is not just about openings, it's about connecting the indoor and outdoor worlds seamlessly. 1. Preparation and measurement. The journey begins with meticulous preparation. Before installation, precise measurements are taken to ensure that windows and doors fit snugly into their respective openings. This step is critical to prevent drafts, water leakage, and ensure proper alignment. 2. Old window and door removal. If the building already has existing windows and doors, these are carefully removed. This process demands care to prevent any structural damage during removal. 3. Weatherproofing. Weatherproofing is essential for sealing the building envelope. A weather-resistant barrier is installed around the window or door opening, which serves as a shield against moisture infiltration. 4. Flashing installation. Flashing, typically made of metal or synthetic materials, is installed around the perimeter of the window or door. This ensures that any water that penetrates the exterior is directed away from the interior and out of the building. 5. Setting the window or door. The window or door is carefully positioned within the opening. Shims are used to make adjustments and ensure that it's level and plumb. This step is crucial for proper operation and aesthetics. 6. Insulation. Insulation is added around the window or door frame to prevent drafts and increase energy efficiency. This can include expanding foam or fiberglass insulation. 7. Fastening. Windows and doors are secured in place with appropriate fasteners, such as screws or nails. The fasteners are strategically placed to ensure a secure and durable attachment. 8. Air sealing. After the window or door is in place, air sealing is performed to eliminate any gaps between the frame and the opening. This is a key step to enhance energy efficiency and prevent drafts. 9. Trim and casing. Once the window or door is securely installed, interior and exterior trim or casing is added for both functional and aesthetic purposes. Trim adds a finishing touch and conceals gaps or imperfections. 10. Hardware installation. For doors, this step involves the installation of handles, locks, and any other hardware. Windows may also have hardware for operation and security. One interesting fact is that properly installed windows and doors can significantly impact a building's energy efficiency. Well-sealed and insulated openings can reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. The future of window and door installation is marked by advances in energy-efficient designs and materials. Manufacturers are producing windows and doors with innovative features, such as low emissivity coatings and multiple glazing options to enhance thermal performance. In conclusion, window and door installation is not just about fixtures, it's about creating a comfortable, energy-efficient, and secure living environment. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into creating a well-built structure. The next time you gaze through a clear window or pass through a welcoming door, consider the artistry and precision behind its installation. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of those who transform openings into portals of comfort and security. May the knowledge of window and door installation inspire you to see not just openings, but gateways to the world beyond. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the step-by-step process of window and door installation. May it deepen your appreciation for the craftsmanship that surrounds us. If you find this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, comment down if you want detailed video, and share with your friends and groups. One last thing, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to learn and explore more in construction and architecture industry. Until next video, keep exploring.